Hello students, I hope you all are safe. IG Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School will teach you computer of grade 5. So this is a part 3 video for the chapter 9 Microsoft Excel 2016. So let's start with the new topics. Entering data. How to enter data? Let us know students. Follow the given steps to enter data in a worksheet as shown in the figure. Open a new workbook by selecting the blank workbook thumbnail from the start screen. Click on the cell D1 and type weekly expenses. Now select the cell range where you enter the text. Click on the merge and center button in the alignment group on the home tab. The selected cells will be merged and the text will be centered. Click on the cell A2 and type items. Press the right arrow key. Type Monday in B2 and Tuesday in C2. Likewise, enter data in the rest of the cells as displayed in the figure. Click on the cell A3. Type eatables and press the enter key. The cell pointer shifts to cell A4. Type cold drink and press down arrow key to move the cell A5 and type milk. Similarly, enter the remaining data. Quick view for you students. To go to a specific cell, use the Ctrl plus G or press F5 function key. Type the cell references in the reference field of Go To dialog box. To insert a new worksheet, press Shift plus F11. Types of data. These three types of data can be entered in a Microsoft Excel worksheet, which are as follows: numbers, text, and formula. Numbers are values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9 and characters like plus, minus, exclamatory, at the rate, dollar sign, percentage, etc. They can be used in a calculation. In addition to actual numbers, Excel is also stores date and time as numbers. By default, numbers are right aligned in a cell. Text data can contain in alphabet, numbers, spaces, and special characters. Text data is not used in a calculation. By default, text data is left aligned in a cell. Most often, text entries are used for worksheet headings, names, and for identifying columns of data. A formula is a mathematical equation involving in numbers, values of operators, and cell addresses used for performing calculations on a worksheet. Formulae can range from a basic mathematical operations to complex calculations. Formulae begin with the equal